Righty-ho, neighbors. Day 44 of camper pod build, and still quite happy with tackling that from last video. Still looks pretty nice. So today I'm going to continue with the roof section of the build. Actually the AC, putting the ACM on the roof. Got to do a little bit of rip in, install a cross brace, maybe install some tape. Only got a couple of hours tonight, so the next couple of videos are going to be finishing off the roof. So let's get at it. Time's a wasting. Don't need these anymore. The last two roof trusses, 2.35 kilos. I pulled down this top ACM, and it's actually hanging about a ½ inch over on that side. Well, no, less than ½ inch, closer to maybe 3/8. But I can push it over in this direction, because if it's hanging over on that direction, it's short on this side, and I can mostly push it over on that side, so it's meeting up with the outside ACM. So when we actually go to install this, I'll probably have to push it over, put a screw down through up right here, and into the top of the trailer just to hold it in place, because I'm not quite sure why it's off, but it's just off a little bit, but that's it. It will go over there with a bit of persuasion. Now I'm going to lay the roof truss on this and across to here, so I know where to cut this, because instead of me cutting the truss in 2 pieces, I'd rather keep it in 1 piece. I'm going to make it fit into this reinforcement beam right here. Okay, hopefully I got another battery charge. Perfect. This has been sitting for, geez, weeks. Kind of fits in there quite well. Line it up with that mark there. Line it up with that mark. Oh, don't worry about that noise. That was just a piece of insulation moving. Gets a little bit tight there. I'm going to have to take a little hair off it. There we go. A little. Yeah, I'm going to have to take a little hair off it. But it does fit. It'll have to fit within there. And I'll attach these here onto that. Okay, cool. And just popped in this new rafter. Now I only had 1.25 inch, sorry, yeah, 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch screws for this. Not happy with that, so I'm going to pick up some, probably some 2-inch tomorrow, and just replace them. But it's where it needs to be, so I've got that done. Just gotta do those 2 centerpieces either now. Well, that bottom one didn't really work, so I had to do a couple of freehand pocket screws in the side here to hold it in place. And I've got a brace up here to make sure that this piece does not go above the new cross brace that's here. Oh yeah, that's going nowhere. Oh, the evenings get dark pretty quick now. It's 7:15, and it's kind of dark out there. So I'm shutting down for this evening. I got done what I wanted to get done, which was I've got the 2 rafters cut and I've got 1 installed. So the next piece will be 2 well, forgot to wrap that rafter in the silver, that silver stuff there. So we'll have to do that while it's up there. And then put some tape up here and then put the next piece of the roof on. Peel it and put it in place and get it ready to install is the next next piece of the build, which will be, I guess, in day 45. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Day 45. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like. I forgot been asking you to do that, but subscribe and like and share if you like this video. And share it if you don't like it. Just share it. Anyway, that's it for this evening. We'll talk to you folks later. Thanks for watching.